Hello my dear friends, how are you? I hope you're all best. Welcome to my channel Meta to discuss about what is Meta platform. I am some teacher about it. But first if you are new, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and start Meta discuss about it. Meta platform Inc. joined business as Meta and formerly named Facebook Inc. and the Facebook Inc. is an American multinational technology conglomerate based in Menlo Park, California. The company owns and operates Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and WhatsApp, among other products and services. Advertising accounts for 97.8% of its revenue, originally known as the parent company of the Facebook service as Facebook Inc. It was rebranded to its current name and of the Facebook service as Facebook Inc. And it was rebranded to its current name in 2021 to reflect its focus on building the Metaverse and integrated environment, linking the company products and services. Meta ranks among the largest American information technology companies alongside the other big five corporations Alphabet, Google, Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft. In 2023, the company was ranked 31 on the Forbes Global 2000 ranking. In 2022, Meta was the company to the third highest expenditure on research and development is worldwide, with R&D expenditure amounting to US $35.3 billion. And Meta has also acquired Oculus, which it has integrated into Reality Labs and Mapillary CTRL Labs, and a 99.99% stake in Geo platform. The company additionally worked onto non-VR hardware such as the discontinued Meta Portal smart display line and partners with Luxottica through the Ray-Ban storage series of smart glasses. And in some history, Facebook filed for an initial public offering IPO on January 1, 2012. The preliminary prospect stated that the company sought to raise 5 billion, had 845 million monthly active users and a website occurring 2.7 billion likes and comments daily. After the IPO, Zuckerberg would retain 22% of the total shares and 57% of the total voting power in Facebook. Under writers' value, the shares saw at $38 each, valuing the company at $104 billion, and the largest valuation for yet for a newly public demand. The IPO raised $16 billion, making it third largest in US history, slightly ahead of AT&T Mobility and behind only General Motors and Visa. The stock price left the company with a higher market capitalization than all but a few US corporations, surpassing heavyweights such as Amazon, McDonald's, Disney, and Kraft Foods, and made Zuckerberg stock worth $19 billion. The New York Times started and the offering overcame question about Facebook's difficulties in attracting advertisers to transform the company into a must-own stock. Jimmy Lee and JP Morgan Chase described it as the next great blue chip, and writers at TechCrunch, on the other hand, expressed skepticism, stating That's a big multiple to live up to, and Facebook will likely need to add bold new revenue and streams to justify the mammoth valuation. Trading in the stock, which began on May 18, was delayed that day due to technical problem with the Nasdaq exchange. The stock struggled to stay above the IPO price for most of the day, forcing underwriters to buy back shares to support the price. At the closing bell, shares were valued at $38.23, only $0.23 above the IPO price and down $3.82 from the opening bell value, and the opening was widely described by the financial press as a disappointment. The stock nonetheless set a new record for trading volume of an IPO on May 25, 2012. The stock ended its first full week of trading at $31.91 at 16.5% decline. And on May 22, 2012, regulation from Wall Street's Financial Industry Regulatory Authority announced that they had begun to investigate whether banks underwritten Facebook had improperly shared information only with the select clients rather than the general public. Massachusetts and Secretary of State William F. Gavin subpoenaed Morgan Stanley over the same issue. The allegations sparked fury among some investors and led to the immediate filing to several lawsuits. One of them, a class action suit claiming more than $2.5 billion in losses due to the IPO. Bloomberg estimated that retail investors may have lost approximately $630 million on Facebook stock since its debut. S&P Global Rating added Facebook to its S&P 500 index on December 21, 2013. On May 2, 2014, Zuckerberg announced that the company would be changing its internal motto from "Move fast and break things" to "Move fast with stable infrastructure." The earlier motto had been described as Zuckerberg's prime directive to his developers and team in a 2009 interview in Business Insider, in which he also said, "Unless you are breaking stuff, you are not moving fast enough." And 2018 to 2020 focused on the Metaverse. Lasso was a short video sharing app from Facebook similar to TikTok that was launched on iOS and Android in 2018 and was aimed at teenagers. On July 2, 2020, Facebook announced that Lasso would be shutting down on July 10. And in 2018, the Oculus lead Jason Rubin sent his 50-page vision